Most of us decide to buy a product just at the store shelf level, and making the smart and connected to new age consumers is the future of retail. Working on this front, Insync Shop Fittings has been developing smart fixturing systems for over 3 years to bring shop fits, lighting, signage, digital screen, and self-checkout counters together. This allows people to browse, choose, buy, and walk away. We spoke with Josefa Merchant, the man behind this innovative shop fit solutions, to know more.
So when we look at the industry in total, India is still catching up to the connected economy. While developing this, the simple idea was that we had to provide the tools for the brands in India to be able to upgrade to an omni-channel world. Currently, the way people are looking at things is phasing it out. What I mean by that is, in phase number 1, they'd like to get the infrastructure ready, which is take the powered system, add digital signages in terms of backlit signages, and in phase number 3 is when they would want to connect, say, digital fixtures or tablets or touchscreens and be able to do a truly connected store. Now, which I feel is a very intelligent strategy, because while our platform is built, you always grow on it. So this is not a system which is static like a general shop fitting system. It's not a slotted system which will remain static. With every few months, we are upgrading things, we're coming up with new technology, we are now experimenting with sensors. Things like, if you pick up a bottle of perfume, for example, a screen can play a video corresponding to that perfume. So things like that are still being worked on. So this system will keep upgrading. So retailers who are looking at bringing in this technology as an infrastructure to start with will be able to benefit from it in stages. See, there are multiple things. There is, for anything to be successful, it has its set of stages. So first is your decision making stage, strategy, which happens in the boardroom. Then you go through the prototyping stage and the correction stage. Now, having somebody like us on board who has been working on this for the last 3 years helps you go through the prototyping and correction stage much faster, because they would be able to utilize the knowledge that I have gained over the last 4 to 5 years. I have a lot of international exposure. While developing this product, we've done studies in London, in Turkey, in Germany, in Italy, in Dubai, in India. So the knowledge that I've accumulated is what they can gain from. And because the knowledge that I've accumulated has already been put into the fixture design, but also needs to be taken into consideration while the planning of the rollout happens. So once they're clear about their strategy, what they want to do, their objectives, then we can work with their design teams or design agencies to really bring that strategy into a tangible solution. My scope comes on the front end of the store, which is the design and enablement of digital components and bringing them and assimilating them into one space, into the rack, because the rack is where customers make most of their decisions. It's either the rack or the trial room. We can help them with UX design through connected partners, or work with their UX design agencies to bring in the knowledge component as a consultant.